they're not that. There's one.
Ow.
Smack it. Smack it.
Let's go.
Okay, so sorry.
Smack it. Hit on the nose.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Nathan, just drink it.
Oh, how am I supposed to stand? I feel mad all today.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm here with these two idiots. This is my brother and this is my brother's best friend.
I'm Nathan.
I'm Monty.
Well, brother and...
Nah.
Second...
And in today's video we're going to be making Valentine's Day cupcakes. Valentine's Day cupcakes?
Yeah.
That's what it's called, right? Valentine cupcakes.
Valentine's Day cupcakes.
Yep.
There we go.
We're gonna be okay, so we're gonna have I need to tell you guys, we're gonna have a competition so you can decorate the best, alright?
Fuck, alright. Oh, sorry.
So we have to try and make it look good.
Okay.
So we're all gonna cook, and then we're all gonna decorate.
Yep.
We're all gonna have a turn by ourselves, like solo, decorating.
Okay.
And whoever can come up with the best.
Shout Uber Eats.
Yeah, okay, yeah, shout Uber Eats.
Nah, fuck that. I'd always shout.
No. Well, you better not lose then.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lose.
Well, you are.
Oh, okay. Alright, so let's get into it, bitches.
Let's do it.
We are just doing the plain packet mix because I cannot stand trying to mix all the other flours and shit. I could just imagine how that would go. Okay, so we have a cute Valentine's Day bowl, which I actually had this. How good is that? Probably gonna read the instructions. Preheat oven. Open the oven.
Yeah, you can tell what to do.
Yeah.
Oh
Okay.
shit, look how sweaty I am.
Definitely know what I'm doing.
That's so gross.
It really accentuates the sweat.
The workout and then the cook.
You work out
Just
and
don't
then you...
sweat in the cupcakes.
You work out and then you cook cupcakes. It makes sense.
Okay, so first, open that. We've got to place the mixture in here.
Oh Jesus.
Alright, so what you do is...
Look how cute though.
You get
No, it's about to fall over. Oh fuck.
I'll have it, don't worry. I'm good.
Okay, and then what else do we have to do? Mix eggs, milk, and butter.
Ready?
Oh shit!
What?
Where's the milk?
We don't have milk.
Alright, jump cats are like us getting milk.
Can't believe we forgot milk.
We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship.
Everyone goes now.
Flying through the...
I've got a good one. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Where should we go? I mean, just getting milk.
Okay.
Keep going.
Where are we going to get milk? The servo?
Just survey. We're going to Woolies and I'm going to go survey. I'm going to go bottle. I grab the...
I literally sound and look like the biggest bogan right now. I'm wearing a jumper
Yeah, good on you.
and no shoes. I'm embarrassed already.
Yeah, same. I'm trying.
I forgot it was there.
I just got completely shy.
Oh, fuck off!
Well, I hope I'm doing
Does the butter need to be melted?
it. At least the oven's preheated.
Let's just pop it in there for a bit.
Nathan, hurry up!
Where's a wooden spoon, man? 3 tablespoons.
I haven't seen before.
You got me to do. You got me to do.
Ow. Now, what's a tablespoon? That again?
Stone.
Alright.
What's this one?
That's the toes.
3 tablespoons of butter.
Very close to that.
Oh no.
Yeah, you can be the
Oh, he's the
judge.
judge.
You're the judge. Did you get that on my microphone?
No.
Missed.
Nah,
Better
it's
not,
missed.
Do you
bitch.
want one, cuz?
Oh, Dad, we've got more butter.
Butter. Butter.
We need. How do you say that? 2/3 of a cup. 2/3 of a cup.
That's how you say it.
Look, we have to be. Look, Valentine's Day. Come on,
Well, check it. This one.
2/3 of a
That's how I
cup.
fire.
No, don't.
I'll blow it up.
No, don't.
Please don't.
No, bitch.
Oh, do a cupcake.
Oh my god, that smells so bad.
God damn, Little Zan the man.
Oh my god. Bitch. Oh, no, make sure that's right. Is that 2/3?
That's 1/2. I mean, that's a half.
What about this?
There you go.
Who's this from, Sam?
Yeah, it's a 2 of them. Oh wait, I should take out the butter. Once you get out the butter,
I'm gonna burn my fingers, aren't I?
Yeah,
Just grab the
use
plate.
smelling gloves.
Sam, chuck
grab
this
the
up.
plates.
It'll be
Sam.
hot.
Sam,
What? Bit more.
that's enough. Well, now that's dirty.
No, we need more.
Sam, scrape. Sam, scrape on the outside.
The whole thing is just
It's
gonna be
soft stuff, right?
dad teaches incompetent daughter how to cook.
Shut up. You don't even know how to wipe your own ass, bitch.
You know what? That's, you gotta come back.
Okay.
Oh my
I
god.
was thinking now too.
Yeah, you
And that
both
fart
do it.
stank.
We're a good
Actually revolting.
Good stank.
Alright.
Like-
Let's concentrate on the cupcakes.
Nathan, you can mix this together.
This is gonna be catastrophic.
Should we use a
It's too late.
a
now.
wooden spoon? It says. Sorry, wooden spoon.
Does it say wooden spoon?
Yeah, it does.
What's wrong with that?
Just mix. Minute. So what you should do?
I'm breaking your cards. Don't
Yeah, yeah. You gotta and then get the edges. Oh my god.
Fold in.
Yeah. No, that's not how you do it. You scrape. You go like this.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Right.
What are you doing? You could have given that to Joe.
Yeah, what the fuck?
Yeah, what the fuck, man?
What are you gonna give to your
Mother.
What are you gonna give to my mother? I'm drunk from the Carlton Zero. It's a.
Did you say I'm on drugs?
It's a gazebo effect.
Placebo.
Placebo effect.
Gazebo.
I'm munted.
Okay, mix. My arm's sore.
What'd you call me?
Nathan.
Oh, yeah.
He's just like touching it.
Not caveman style.
Come on, Dad. Show me how it's done.
Plastic.
Show me how it's done.
It's still fucking stirring, cuz.
Look.
Oh my god.
You do this.
Come on, everyone do it. Yes. That's what we want.
Mum, so you have a go then. Stop laughing.
Nice consistency.
Nah, it's done.
There's a box.
We don't have a cupcake tin, so what we're gonna have to do is where are the I don't know, man. Yeah, go.
What is he doing?
Used.
Charming.
Okay, so now we've got to fill these up.
Big cupcake.
Let's.
Oh, I like that idea.
Okay, we're gonna start off with 2 cupcakes each. So I'm gonna put my shit in first.
Do it. Oh!
Come on, huh?
Yeah, shit is right.
Ew, it looks like shit a bit. Okay, Nathan, you'll go.
Oh, okay.
About that much each in each one. Ooh, you stink like shit, man.
Oh,
You know, because we worked out fucking
I
hard.
can't even smell anything.
Oh, it stink like shit. Come on now. Come on.
Oh, just a little
Yeah,
bit.
this is
Yeah, it's called BO.
Yeah, that's when I'm like that close.
That's called from sweating.
Okay, let's just do this.
So get your
Okay,
hair out of the way.
so sorry. I have 1 stripe. Nathan's gonna have 2, Monty, you're gonna have 3.
Oh.
I forgot already.
Oh, and I got little I got little like lop up things. And I'm gonna dye the icing. I'm gonna dye the icing now. While we're doing nothing. Excuse me, bitch.
This is.
Betty Crocker, yeah, honey.
So we get to share.
Oh shit, I didn't put an egg in it.
In what that? Oh!
It'll still cook, won't it?
Oh!
There's just been no egg in
It'll
it.
be shit.
Dad, so we're having a decorating competition and you just gotta pick who's the best and who's the worst.
Yeah, you're all shit.
Oh,
Well, from what I've seen so far,
excuse me.
it ain't good. It'll taste like rubbish.
No,
It's
don't. It won't taste like rubbish. Have a sense, have some positivity, will you? No, it'll taste fine.
No egg, no good.
Okay, we've got some food colouring. It's gonna be red.
Oh, what's the other name for it? Ranger.
Another fucking good one.
So funny.
Shut up, you heckler. Get the fuck out.
That's a weird pink.
No, it's a red.
You're such a
Oh,
shit
no.
cupcake
Shut
cooker.
up.
That's not pink, that's red.
Yeah, I wanted
That's
a
what I
red.
I think you said pink.
No, it's a red. It's gonna be red.
I'll say what I want.
None of that on YouTube.
No, you won't. Not on my channel, honey.
We're still like in Florida. We'll go to a suicide forest
Oh,
and
Jesus.
then laugh at the
Calm down,
person.
Logan.
Laugh at the person that's been hung.
Oh
Get
yeah.
them off!
Fuck.
Sam, are you Maggie?
Big. Oh, do you reckon that's kind of good?
Fuck, are you Joe Rogan or something?
Do you reckon that colour's good?
I'm full funny.
Do you reckon that colour's good?
Yes, it's good. Don't ask again. Don't eat that.
Hey, this
Go
instead.
on a sugar high for a month.
For a month.
Don't, Sam.
Okay.
Get holes in your teeth and everything.
Not bad. No egg.
Yeah, no.
Peace.
Lighters.
They're Nathan's. How do you feel about them?
Feel pretty good. Look at yours.
Why did mine turn out like that? What the fuck?
So shit.
You're a dick, honestly.
Yeah,
And then there's a Monty's. Even Monty!
Nah, mine's
Monty,
good.
the idiot!
I'm the
They look better than mine!
I'm the professional.
How did that happen? I don't understand.
Hey Sam,
Far out, man.
Monty's muffins actually look better than his head.
Oh, thanks. It looks like I'm drinking the same thing.
Alright, we're good.
These are gonna go in the fridge because we have to ice them.
Then why? Why? You're always keeping. Oh, you're so shitty cupcake maker.
I'm so
Shitty cupcake video.
You were a
Extreme
better
cupcakes.
maker when you were 10.
I don't know what's happened, man.
Extreme cupcakes going
What
wrong.
has happened?
Extreme cupcakes.
Just chuck it.
Ow.
Oh, is that moth?
Oh. But they're not that. There's one. Smack it.
Where?
Smack it.
Someone else smacking it.
Smack it. Hit on the nose. Smack it.
You called me, Gabe. Look at that. God, you smell nice.
What do you
Remember when I taught you how to do that?
What?
Yeah.
You couldn't do it. It didn't work. It didn't work.
Why did you shit on them? Nathan, grab yours.
What's this?
I said,
Oh, I can't smell the...
Yeah, you don't want to face yourself.
I'll catch on my head.
Okay. Now I got icing. We've got all this shit to put on, and
Oh,
there's.
sprinkles.
You're not supposed to eat it now. You are.
Why do we get steak knives and you get a butter knife?
Competition starts. Yeah, shut up and do it.
Sam, mine's fucked.
Mine's what?
It's tearing apart as I'm like putting on the
Yeah,
icing.
so is mine.
Like your ass.
Why does mine look like shit?
Or they look
They all look like shit.
Oh,
What's that?
Mine's
Sam,
It's long.
Sam, you know what you've got?
2
Oh,
seconds.
Sam. It looks like a labia.
long. Oi.
Looks Stop.
Well, that shit right there, guys.
Oh, this is
Oh my god,
terrible.
that's actually so bad.
This is giving me AIDS.
At my time again, I would have added
Oh my
this
God.
egg.
I'm
Sam's
falling.
going to go everywhere. Put something underneath it.
No, this is actually
Nah.
Oh, full solid.
I'm getting really. Oh, Jesus!
solid. I'm gonna write love.
Oh, this is so bad.
Why? Who loves you?
No one. Oh shit, I made this look so much worse.
Oh, black love.
Fuck, this is
Oh,
shit.
not there's anything wrong with that.
I'm taking this really seriously. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, but they look like crap still, so. What are yours looking like? You're still on the icing, catch up.
Add a fork, please. Oh, Sam, look, it's going everywhere, mate.
Mate.
Right,
There's
Okay.
literally nothing going on.
has been served.
I regret having
Mine
a
are
drink
done.
now.
Hurry
Or
up.
2. Or 3.
I see them.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna
Oh,
zoom
it's
up.
bouncing. Look at it. Look at it.
They're gonna look like shit
Have a
now.
look at this. Have a look at this, right? Watch this. Look.
Damn it, Nathan. I'm
Look.
paying for Uber
Watch
Eats.
this, Nate. Watch. They're super bonkers.
Just do a slow one. Do a slow one.
Oh,
my
I didn't
God.
know. I didn't know. That was the first
I
one.
went bomb.
Well, okay. Ready?
Yep.
Yeah.
It's rubbish.
Rubbish.
My judgment is
Oh, here it goes.
they're oval instead of being
Oh
round.
shit, I'm gonna get roasted.
They're flat instead of being poof. Okay, and then we're over to Nathan's and
Yeah,
Nathan's
wait, secret ingredient.
This is very
oh right.
this is very biased.
So the secret ingredient was
B.
BR.
Yeah.
Yeah, arsehole. Okay, alright. Oh, lick it. Okay, so basically.
Alright, we're gonna taste test. Ready? Same time.
Taste
Oh, hang on, let me get back here. Okay, go.
Ready?
I bet you it tastes
Nathan,
like.
pick it up.
I bet you it tastes like filth.
Right? Everyone tastes like rubbish.
Oh, so shit.
Oh, it tastes fucking terrible. I don't rate it. Doug, you need to try.
No way in the world.
No, on camera.
You
come on.
couldn't pay me enough money.
Anyway, fucking yuck.
No, it's alright.
No.
What did I say?
That was so bad.
Bad.
These are going to the bin, man. Alright, Dad, tell us what you think about everyone's cupcakes and who won. Someone has to win.
Okay, minty fresh, rubbish in every respect.
You know what?
No, you were. You're pathetic. Your decoration, your presentation, your attitude, everything, rubbish.
This is biased. I
Nathan,
don't, nah.
Nathan, mate, your heart was in it, but honestly, execution, not there. Sam, the fact that you wrote love on one of them
Lava.
got you over the top, even though it turned to lava. Okay?
Thank you.
That's it, so Sam's the winner.
The way it should be. Why is there cake on the floor? Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this fail of a video and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Bye. Ew, what is this?